This will be a quick unboxing video for this BARsics bartender shaker set. I'm going to be using this, please forgive the costume, I'm going to be using this to film a cocktail inspired by Sherlock Holmes, hence the costume. And this is the set that I'm going to be using. So I am going to take a look at this and see what we're looking at here. Okay, right away I can tell you that this little stirring spoon is actually a really nice quality. I have several other stirring spoons and they are all pretty flimsy. This one's actually nice and solid, so already happy with that. This is our lid here, top of our shaker. Oh, that's the jigger. Shaker itself. Okay. Okay, so this is a pretty good quality shaker. It's not insulated, it's just a basic shaker, but it is a nice, decent heft to it, and it looks like it seals up pretty good. It is, I think this opening's a little too small to use as a Boston shaker, unless it's going inside the glass rather than outside, but let's go ahead and take a look at this jigger here. Actually, this jigger is this is really nice. This is a nice, thick, rolled edge jigger. It's marked 2 ounces on the top and 1 ounce on the bottom, or 1 ounce on the top, 2 ounces on the bottom, depending on if your glass is half full person. And then it's marked on the outside with 1 ounce, 2 ounce. It's marked on the inside with graduated measurements. So we got a 3/4 ounce in here, we got a 1/2 ounce in here, and we got a 1/4 ounce in here in the top. And then in the bottom, in the 2 ounce section, I've got a 1.5, a 1 1/4, and a 1, although you would just get a 1 from down there. But it's really nice that not only is it marked on the outside, but it's marked on the inside as well. So it's going to be pretty versatile for measuring out the different liquids that you want to put in it. So that's pretty nice as well. So overall, that's a pretty nice little set, and this is going to work really well in the video that I'm making for the Sherlock Holmes inspired cocktails. So I'm pretty happy with this. I think you will be too, and I hope this helps.